Hello YouTube fam, this is Maafe back again, and today I just wanted to come on and show you all how to make groundnut soup, or as some people say, Maafe or Domoda. And this is a national Gambian dish from West Africa. So people from West Africa normally eat this dish, and it's made with a base of peanuts. So if you come over here, you'll see that I'm using 100% groundnuts, which is 100% peanuts. This doesn't have any sugar or any additives in it. I'll also be using today a small amount of tomato paste. Any tomato paste will do. Here in my bowl, I'll be adding a variety of vegetables. I have potatoes, 3 of those, some carrots that have been chopped up and peeled in large pieces. I have pieces of cabbage here and here. Over here I have okra. I have 4 Scotch bonnet peppers or habanero peppers. They're very spicy, so be careful not to break them in your food. And then I have 3 tomatoes that I'll also be adding into the food. Alright, so if you come over here, I'm going to show you what I use to season my meat. Okay, so prior to making the video, I went ahead and pre-cooked my meat. I added about 1.5 tablespoons of Knorr chicken bouillon seasoning to the meat. I added 1 tablespoon of the Montreal chicken seasoning from Grill Mates, and I added 1 tablespoon of Badia seasoned salt. Okay. All right. So if you come over here to the pressure cooker, you'll see that the meat is already done. It's already well cooked here, and so I took some of the stock in there and I just put it in this bowl here, and I added a few tablespoons of the peanut butter or the groundnut paste, and now I have to mix that all in. So you want to mix the peanut butter in with your stock really well. So just get that all incorporated. So just mix it up until it's all incorporated like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pour that over into the meat and the stock that's cooking, that's boiling. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. Okay, go ahead and pour that into the stock and the meat, and I'll mix it up a little bit. And if you can kind of zoom in and let them see the texture and the color of everything, how everything is looking. So now that your groundnut paste and your stock mixture is in your food, you want to come back over to your vegetables, and we're going to put all of these vegetables in the food. I've already washed them. I've already chopped the heads off of the okra. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cabbage in first because the cabbage will take the longest to cook. So you just want to carefully put that in so that you're not breaking it up, so it's not falling apart. You want to carefully just place it in there. Okay, and I have 1 more piece of cabbage. Then next I'm going to put in my potatoes, but I'm going to cut those in half first. So let me grab my knife. Just stay right there and I'll come back. Alright, so I'm going to cut the potatoes in half so that they don't take too long to cook. So you just want to cut them in half like that. And then go ahead and put them over in your food. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly stir it, make sure everything is well covered by the stock. And I forgot 1 more piece of cabbage, so I'll just place that over there in the corner. Next, I'll go ahead and add the carrots because they take the next longest to cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that those are in the soup. And then I will go ahead and add the okra to one side. I'll stick in the tomatoes. You can just stick those in whole. Okay, I have another piece of carrot there. And a few more okra. Alright, And then I'll put the habaneros on top because I don't want those to get broken in the food. And if you'll come zoom in and show them how everything is looking. Okay, so this is how your stew is looking. And now you want to go on and close it up and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are well done. Alright, so then I'll come back on and show you all how everything looks once everything is done. Okay. Alright, so hello YouTube family. I just wanted to come on and show you all the end results of the Maafe, the Domoda, the groundnut soup, or the peanut butter soup, as some people call it. So once your soup is done, it will look like this. And as it cools off, it will have a much thicker consistency as well because the groundnut paste in it will thicken it up just like a nice gravy. Okay, so I went ahead and took out some of the vegetables and I put it in its own plate over here. So here you have some of the okra, the carrot, the potato, the tomato, the habanero, and the cabbage. And over here I went ahead and pre-made a plate. So we'll be having this Maafe over rice. So you can see the carrot, the cabbage right here, the habanero, the okra in there, the potato over here. And if I had some eggplant, I would have also included eggplant in this dish as well. So there it is. Just wanted to come and show you guys the end results. And we're about to break our fast since we are fasting for Ramadan. I think we have about 15 or 16 more minutes left, and then we'll be able to enjoy this food as well. For dessert, we'll be having lax or mano, which is another Gambian, Senegalese, West African dish. So that includes millet and sour cream mixed with sugar and peak milk and lots of good stuff. So yeah, this is our Domoda, our Maafe, groundnut soup, peanut butter soup, whichever one you want to call it. And it was a success. Okay, so I'll see you all later. We're getting ready to enjoy this food in a little bit. Bye for now.